So here's some overview of Bumpy App, Bumpy International Dating, meet people around the world. So it's a quite new app and has some nice updates and is getting some traction. So here's how it is. So it looks kind of like Tinder. So you can swipe to the right or to the left, and then just whether you like these people or not. So there are a lot of international profiles in this app. So if you're really interested, you can send a like. Otherwise, you can just say hello, or you can skip it. You have filters in the right where you can see search filters, location worldwide, or you can select by continents. So that's what it is. And then filters, you have verified profiles only. If you want to only see verified profiles, then you need to upgrade. 1 month, $20, not that cheap. So there you have it. And so that's just what it is. I guess there can be a lot of bots in this kind of apps. So you probably will need to upgrade to basically meet like real people there. So like you, I'm not sure that this is like the real profile. So yep, as you can see, that's the idea. And then you have your real profile. You can upgrade, you can see settings, and then there are some premium features like incognito mode, so no one sees your profile unless you want them to. Only people you send hello will be able to see your profile. Then also in a premium mode, you can hide your age, you can hide country and city, hide online status. So translator settings, translate all chats. Then if you want, you can see like account. Then you can freeze your account, just put it on pause, and in the bottom you can delete your account. So yeah, that's what it is. Also, there's another thing is like activate onboarding, so you can activate some tips for this app. So just try to use it better. And then here you can see again who liked you, who viewed your profile, but again you need to upgrade to gold. And then you just swipe in. So here is some profile, and then you can just see different people. So kind of like Tinder here, but it's very international. So if you're traveling, that's basically the app. I don't know if it has that many users around the world. I mean, maybe it's just it has users in a very few locations yet. It's not like a major app. It's not Tinder. It's not like it has like millions of users. So it's just growing. But yeah, and then also it has boosts, which you can buy boosts. Show yourself on a map for 1 day to get visible hello from your boost. So as you can see, 20 boosts, $26, 5 boosts, $8, 1 boost, $2, likes, 2 likes, 25 likes. So you can also make a bold first move with the like. 1 like is $1 basically. So it's not a cheap app, as you can see. So, and then you can fill out your profile really to advance. So you can fill a lot of in percentage. Then you can also verify yourself with a photo. Take a selfie to confirm your identity and show that you're a real person. So you can do that. Your interests, your goals, your name, your location, and all of these details which you can add, height, weight, sexual orientation, star sign, exercise, educational, drinking, real values, all those things you can just add in here. And then, you just add them in here and and then that's basically what it is. So that's the app. So, and then also there is a chat. So again, if you're just starting out this app, I would suggest that, there can be a lot of AI bots here and spam accounts and any other dating app. But this app seems to be more legit. So it's not like a fake app which appears for 2 weeks in App Store and then disappears with your data. So it's not that. But still, I guess to use it more seriously, you probably will need to upgrade. So you just decide it's not a cheap app. I would just create an account and still wait a bit until it gets more users. So seems it has the potential, but let's see where it goes, and yeah, what are the reviews? Let's check it out the reviews. Some of the reviews are seems to be not that genuine, so maybe they're just buying some reviews and generating them. So people complain that there aren't that many users yet. So let's see if it develops into something bigger. So people complain that it's hard to get to chat in here, so there aren't that many users yet. So I guess this app is still kind of in the process of development. So to be honest, that's just what it is at the moment. So if you're struggling with Tinder, of course you can try some alternatives. So give a try also to this app, see what happens. Of course, there are a bunch of other alternatives to Tinder if does depending what you're looking for in dating apps. You're looking for just friends, you're looking for dating, you're looking for like relationships. Like for example, for relationships you can look for Bumble. There are a bunch of like traveling apps like WeWorld, and there is Badoo, which is like chatting with and friends, and tag dating apps. Of course, there is Tinder. There are some other like hookup apps, Tandem. So yeah, like so many of those. Then there are like these like my global friends apps, which you can try. So yep, that's what you have here. That's These are the apps. I don't know whether this app is on Android at the moment. It's only in iOS App Store. But yes, you can see it's kind of growing in popularity. So it's already entering like top 200 apps recently. So it's quite an achievement. So definitely there is something good with this app. So yep, there you have it. So give it a try anyhow and see how it goes.